Welcome to Johnston Motors. I'm going to give you a quick tour of this 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ. It is a color code PSB, bright silver metallic. It's pretty much stock. It's wearing earlier TJ wheels because it had aftermarket rims on it. We had these in inventory. The tires were worn out on it from sitting, and so we put 5 brand new tires, including the spare, on it, and put these OEM factory Jeep wheels back on it. So they're technically factory stock Jeep wheels, but they really belong on an 04 or prior TJ. But we didn't have any of the, I believe they call them canyon wheels, ravine, not canyon wheels, that go on the 05 and 06s. Anyways, only other thing that's not stock on it, these side rails here, they're in pretty good shape. They function, so we just left them. Factory hardtop, obviously. This is an X trim. Being an 06, it's the last year model for the TJ. It's the last year model for the 4.0 PowerTech 242 inline 6, whatever you want to call it, 4 liter. This one's automatic. It's got some nice upgrades. Leather wrap steering wheel. It's got the premium audio package. Gives you more speakers. And but for back then, I guess it was cool. But the 6-disc CD changer, it all works. Factory stereo functions flawlessly. None of the speakers are blowing out. Even a subwoofer still works, which is great. AC and heat work great. This Jeep has 0 issues, no leaks. It runs and drives as it should. And it's got killer miles on it. Sitting at 29,000 miles. 29,500 to be exact. But killer miles. Overall, cosmetically, not too bad. Obviously, being essentially 20 years old, 18 years old, it's going to have a few flaws on it, such as right here. There's some small little dings on the hard top, and then there's some scratches on the hood. Nothing crazy, nothing major, no major body damage, never been any wrecks. This is a North Texas Jeep, has always been in the North Texas area. It was purchased brand new in Weatherford, Texas, and now resides here in Krugerville, which is still North Texas, but anyway, so yeah, there's some scratches on the hood, nothing crazy. This lens here, this light lens here's got a scrape on it. But I wanted to leave it original, especially something that was as clean as this. I guess I'll leave it up to the customer if you want to repaint the hood, but if it was my personal Jeep, I would just leave it as it is and enjoy it. Clean Carfax, like I said, clean history. As I said, it's got 5 brand new tires on it. This is the automatic transmission, 4-speed. These later year models had the overdrive, which makes them nicer to drive on the highway. Features 373 gearing. It's another upgrade on it. Hardtop is, other than those few scrapes over there, overall in pretty immaculate condition. Interior is great. The seats are good. No funky smells. Original carpet is good. Original floor mats are in good condition. I will point this out over here. Window tint is still good. No scrapes in the glass. Factory bumpers. And actually factory hitch here. It's pretty small, but it is the original factory one. Locking gas cap. Only major flaw in the interior. Back seat's in fantastic condition. Doesn't look like anybody's ever sat back there. There is a small tear right here in the driver's seat. Looks like something punctured it. Other than that, interior is in outstanding condition. There's no cracks in the dash. This Jeep runs and drives like it should for a 29,000 mile TJ. So 0 issues, clean history. If you're looking for a good clean slate, or if you just want to own a bone stock TJ to have fun in, add to your collection, go off-roading, collect, use as a weekend driver, whatever, contact us anytime, 940-808-2382. Once again, that's 940-808-2382. You can check out our website, johnstonmotorsales.com. And also, if you are on Facebook, check us out on Facebook. Let me pop the hood real quick so you can see the motor. I'm going to start it up. And check our website for undercarriage photos, tons more photos of this. And yeah, thanks much, guys.